Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well, and if you're new to this channel, you are welcome. To my old subscribers, thank you guys for sticking around. So today I'm just doing a day in my life vlog. I just woke up, cleaned, took a shower, as you can see. So now I'm going to try and make breakfast. I have a few things to do today. So as you have seen by the title of the video, I will also be unboxing my new designer handbag, which I bought from Gucci. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna make breakfast and relax a little bit. So let's get right into it. Hey guys, so I'm done working now. I'm about to go out. I need some few stuff for the house, like fruits, so I'm gonna go to the shops to buy some stuff, and I'm also craving some cake, so I might as well just go and get myself some cake. And we haven't eaten lunch, so I'm probably gonna also go and buy some lunch while I'm at it. And then I think when I come back, I will unbox my bag. Ooh, how do I look? I look like I'm about to walk on a snow. By the way, it's still cold in London. It's still very, very cold. We are approaching summer slightly, but it's still cold. So you are still going to see us like this, and we're still on lockdown, so it's just boring. Everything is just boring. Let's go outside. Oh my god, you guys, look at the queue. That's where I'm going. That's where the queue starts. The queue starts here, but I'm going there. So bad that I need these things, so I don't really have a choice. finally back home, and I am now going to unbox this baby. So I initially wanted to buy this in December for my birthday, but I went to South Africa and I couldn't buy it because, you know, I spent money. Well, speaking of South Africa, I might be uploading a vlog of my South African trip later this week, so look out for that. All right, let's get right into it. So I couldn't buy it in December. I then bought it now in Feb, so it's more like a late birthday present. So it came in this box. First of all, obviously the shops are closed, so I couldn't buy it in store, so I bought it online. I called, and I was on a call maybe for pretty much 20 minutes to 30 minutes. I think one thing I can say is that their service is amazing. They are very patient on the phone, and they want to make sure that they give you like a great experience, and that you order the correct thing and so on. So excuse me. So yeah, it came in this box. When you open this box, on top there's this sort of like a duffel bag, or I don't know, as you can see it's written Gucci. I don't know if it's a tote bag. It looks like, I don't know, I think it's called a duffel bag. If I'm saying it the wrong way, please correct me on. So yeah guys, feel free to correct me on the comment section. Let me know what this bag is called, but I think it's called a duffel bag. So yeah. And then next is next on the box is more like it's an envelope with as you can see, it's written Gucci, so it's an envelope. Quite a nice material. It says, "Thank you, we look forward to assisting you again at Gucci.com." So it's just like a thank you card. And then the next thing, it's another envelope. We've got another envelope also written Gucci. So here inside, I think this is an invoice with the details of the handbag, of the product code, and so on. As always, they don't have a price, which is quite cool. Anyway, or when you have already bought the bag, but when you are doing your research, that is not cool at all. So yeah, they've got like the details here of the product and whatnot, and where it's coming from. It's coming from Italy. So, and then there's the main thing. Oh, I'm so excited. And then there's the main thing. The box is amazing. I've sort of messed around this bow and whatnot, but the material is quite good. As you can see, it's written Gucci, and then it's got this bow. Let's try and open and see. Then once you open inside, it's still covered. Then as you open, it's also again covered on another, more like a duffel bag. But again, I don't know what is it called, but it's inside a bag. So as you open, so this is the bag, and then you open, and then you get the bag from inside. Guys, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna try and open it. As you can see, I haven't yet. So inside the box, the handbag, the bag is covered in this small duffel bag. I don't know what is it. It's more like a pillowcase. I don't know if you guys can see. So yeah, in terms of packaging, I give it to them, guys. It's just it's amazing. And the final reveal of my new baby, of my new bag. So obviously this is my first designer bag, and I was thinking, because there was an LV bag that I liked, but I was like, I think I'd like to buy something small, because I don't normally carry big bags anymore. So I like carrying like sling bags. So this is more like a sling bag, and I feel like it's something that's going to be easy to use, and also the material is also something that I think it's classic, something that you can still use in 10 years to come. So here is the bag. It's really nice, guys. It's really, really nice. It's small, obviously. Got some stuff inside. More Gucci tags. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. And then it's got this chain as your sling. So it's quite a nice bag, as you can see. So it's more like a sling bag, as I've mentioned. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I think this is where I'm gonna end my vlog, my day in my what? Oh my god, I'm really, really tired, guys. I'm really, really tired. So yeah, I think this is where I'm gonna end my my video today, my vlog. I will be posting something else later on this week, so watch out for that. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment. I know some people send me emails. I really love hearing from you guys. Thank you for spending this day with me, and I wish you guys a good day. Until next time, goodbye.